In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring back the Generative Fill Bar if it's not showing in Photoshop. If you open Photoshop and notice that the Generative Fill Bar is missing, don't worry. In most cases, the feature hasn't actually disappeared. What usually happens is that the Contextual Task Bar has simply been turned off, and since that bar is where Generative Fill often appears, it can make it seem like the tool is gone. The good news is that this is very easy to fix and only takes a few seconds. To restore it, go to the top of Photoshop and click on the Window menu. In that menu, look for Contextual Task Bar and click it to enable it. If it was turned off, turning it back on will make the bar reappear right away. Once the Contextual Task Bar is visible again, the Generative Fill option should become available whenever you make a selection using a supported selection tool. That's important because Generative Fill usually appears in context, meaning Photoshop shows it when you're actively working with a selection. So if you don't see it immediately after turning the bar back on, make a selection in your image and check the bar again. This bar is especially useful because it gives you fast access to Photoshop's AI-powered editing features without forcing you to dig through multiple menus. That can save time and make your editing workflow feel much smoother, especially if you use Generative Fill often for removing objects, extending backgrounds, or creating quick variations inside a selected area. So, if the Generative Fill bar seems to be missing, remember that the fix is usually just this one setting. Open the Window menu, enable Contextual Task Bar, and you should be back up and running almost instantly. And that's it. With just one simple adjustment, you can restore the Generative Fill bar and continue editing without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Photoshop tutorial.